Hey, and welcome to level one of the Webflow Masterclass. Excited to get started. So, what are we going to do in this level one module? Well, what we're going to do is we're going to take a template and customize it and make it our own. Now, you might be asking yourself, why work with a template? I'm here to learn how to do stuff on my own. I want to build custom, beautiful stuff. And there's actually two reasons why I'm sharing how to customize a template with you. Number one is that as a beginner, these amazing templates that are out there in the Webflow library can enable you to do stuff that might be a little bit above your pay grade right now, but if you understand how to work with it, you can deliver a website that look great, that are professionally built very, very fast. Now, they do cost money, most of them, but time is money, and if you can deliver high quality work, it might be worth getting a template and customizing it. But the second reason, which is actually more important than the first reason, is that by understanding and working and checking out templates, you can learn a lot because you can basically reverse engineer how professionals do their work and play around with these templates without even buying them. And then you can learn so much about how to build stuff. So for example, let's scroll through here and you see a layout that you're actually not sure how they've done this. Like, how do they put the image and the this round thing around the text here in the hero section? And what you can do, you don't even have to buy it. You can just click preview in Designer, and that would open up this website for free inside the Designer, and you get a sneak peek into how this is built. You can open up the navigator here. You can see how everything is structured. Now, if you're a beginner, looking at this might be a little bit overwhelming and you don't understand what's going on, but this is exactly what we'll be doing in this module. I'll teach you how to analyze and how to break down this and how to work with this so that can become very, very powerful. Now, besides the templates themselves here, in the Webflow Marketplace, you can also find Made in Webflow, which is another showcase of a lot of beautiful work that was built with Webflow, but you can toggle on this clonable. And this is an amazing resource because all of these websites that you can find here, you can go ahead and clone them. So for example, this Reloom website, not only you can clone this and work with it, but you can open up the live website. And again, you get access into how professional companies build their website within Webflow. You can check out exactly how they structure it. You can check out exactly how they style things, their naming system, the way that they're, laying out the work here. And this is an amazing, amazing learning opportunity. And this is what I want for you to learn in this module. So what are we practically going to do? We're going to take this template, which is a portfolio website that was created by Bas. Bas was back in the day a Flux Academy student, and now he is a Webflow expert and has built a successful agency. And he basically gave us this cool portfolio template that he has here that has some very, very cool things. Horizontal, scrolling here. We've got this very nice portfolio. We've got this nice menu that opens up here, and we're going to take this and we're going to learn to customize it. So we're completely going to change the colors, we're going to change the typography, we're going to change the images, we're going to learn how to work with this template, and you're going to learn a lot from this. So actually, let me cover everything that we're going to learn in this level one. So number one, we're going to learn how to edit fonts and colors. We're going to learn how to work with variables. We're going to learn how to work with backgrounds, working with images. We're going to edit text, and we're going to edit the links. We're going to add a new page or remove a page. We're going to edit hover states, which is what happens when you go over an object with your mouse. We're going to add new elements and learn how to add classes. We're going to talk a little bit about the CMS basics, a little bit about responsiveness and how to work with forms and make sure that the forms work, and also the whole process of publishing the websites and taking it live. So all of these things we're going to cover in level one. However, before we begin, I want to say two things. Number one, I assume that you have watched the principles video before this level one module. This is super, super important. If you haven't watched it, go now and watch it, because we're going to assume and we're going to talk a lot about things and concepts that we assume that you understand. And if you feel like you haven't grasped them yet, go back and watch this video. It's a must before diving into the actual coursework. The second thing is you might want to prepare your assets, right? So we can provide you with the assets that I'm using when I'm building, but if you want to make this portfolio your own, feel free to prepare assets like your words for the portfolio, a photo of you. Feel free to pick different colors or fonts than what I am working with. So just feel free to prep this before you dive into the project if you want to work alongside with me. And number two, if you have a free Webflow account right now, you might have a kind of a limit on your program, on your account, that you can't open up new pages. There's a limit to the free plan. However, you can join. We have a free workspace for Flux Academy students that you can enroll in, and then you can build projects without these limitations. So if you want to, make sure there's instructions below this video on how to join the free workspace, the Flux workspace, so that you can use Webflow to build more robust and don't have limits on your free Webflow plan. With all of that said, I'll see you in the next video.